Hey, so a list of Jungle Scout supported countries is available for you down in the description of this video. In this list, you're going to see which countries are supported by Jungle Scout and which countries are partially supported by Jungle Scout, and also which tools of Jungle Scout work in which country. So the link to the list is in the description, along with the best discounts for Jungle Scout and also a playlist of tutorials with over 100 tutorials. Now, let's see this list. However, I do recommend you clicking on the link because in this way you understand maybe in the future, because this list will probably change with time because they're going to more and more marketplaces. Check it out in the description. But currently, list of supported countries is support for different stores, depends on the specific product feature. I'm reading it here. At this time, Jungle Scout is fully compatible with the following Amazon marketplaces: Amazon US, Canada, Mexico, UK, France, Germany, Italy, and Spain. So pretty much all the tools of Jungle Scout, or almost all of the tools, work on these marketplaces. In addition, we offer limited support for the following stores: Amazon India, Japan, Netherlands, Turkey, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Australia, Singapore, and Brazil. So for these countries, at least for now, there's limited support of tools. Now, also, there's a really cool table here. You can stop the video and watch it if you want. Basically, it's feature breakdown by marketplace. So for example, you're going to see that product database is fully available for Amazon US, but for Amazon, let's say Netherlands, it's not available. However, let's say product database is available for Japan, and etc. So all the tools are there. It also might change with time because Jungle Scout continues growing and spreading into more marketplaces. So check it out in the description, this link to that page. Also, you'll find the best discounts for Jungle Scout in the description, along with a playlist of over 100 tutorials that show you how to use most of these tools that you're seeing here. And enjoy. Have a great day. Thank you very much.